Don Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen again. Getting ready to make a pork steak. Pork chops. Pork. I think it's a pork roast. Yeah, pork roast. And I got some fresh parsley out of my garden. Chopped it up. And we'll chop up a little bit more. Put some more on top of that. So I'll sprinkle it on there like that. Then we're going to cut up I got partial onion here. So we're going to have a cover with onion. This is one of my other knives that I got for cutting up my vegetables and my meat. I like it because you can use it as a spatula also to pick up everything once you're done cutting it. So you can rake it up and just pick it up. And we're just going to layer it. Plenty of onions. Look at that. I got my smaller knife. We're going to put some butter on it. Put some right there. Another piece right there. We're going to try to make an all-in-one dinner here. We got potatoes over here we're going to cut up. Get this other onion cut up on there. So we can just break that up. And like I said, we're going to set everything on there. Then we're going to wrap it. We're going to have potatoes. Slice these potatoes up. Kind of do them in fourths. And cut them again. This is Yukon Gold potatoes. One of our favorites we like to eat around here. Nothing like a sharp knife. Like I said, I like to scoop it up. And we're just going to make a bed of them right there. Kind of go all the way around it. So we're going to wrap them up with aluminum foil. On this side over here, some right there, two got away. That's kind of what we're going to do. We're going to hit it with some Lawry's seasoned salt to get a potato some flavor. The meat's already been seasoned. A little bit on the onions. I like using this Greek seasoning. We're going to put some of that on the potatoes. Go around it. A little bit of onion powder, not the salt, but powder. We're going to throw this all in the oven. It's already preheating at 350. We'll come back in and wrap it all up once it starts to sweating a little bit. So we'll just set it in there like that. Get another shot of it. There we go. All right. There you have it. Cooking in the kitchen. It's getting cold outside. I got my new knife sets. They're sharp like I like it. We'll see you in a little bit on Don Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen.